Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here with Ultra Haptics, where you can do some feeling without touching. So we're going to go ahead and do some demonstrations, talk about application of this specific product, so let's check it out. Alright, so here's a very close look at the Ultra Haptics. It actually gives you tactile feedback and you can have gesture control. So these are actually ultrasound speakers, so it does give feedback. It kind of feels like air almost, but it's not actually. It's just ultrasound that emits. If you can check it out, actually, it will track my motion. So you'll see I'm playing a game right here, and it gives tactile feedback. So when the ball hits the actual pad, you can feel it. So it's actually really neat. I can scroll through a bunch of different demos. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. If pop bubbles. So again, it's just all demos for certain applications that you can make. It's just really cool. I mean, you feel 3D objects, buttons, and textures. And here's just a force field that you can go through. And I mean, as you move your hand, it just feels like there's just a mist of air coming through out here, but obviously it's not. Like I said, ultrasound speakers, it's really cool. So it works very well. So let's go ahead and go through it. Here's another awesome application that you can kind of go through. So I put my hand out and it's spinning in my palm actually. So it feels that, and the type of applications can be used for is, for example, if you're in a car or somewhere and you want to turn up volume, or maybe even your thermostat, turn up temperature. If I spin my hand like this, it tracks it, and you'll see I'm turning it up and down. I can go really quickly if I want to. If I want to spin it up really fast, it's very responsive, as you can see, all the way up. And if I stop, you'll see it actually does a really good job at tracking my palm. It stays with it. You can feel it spinning in your palm. It's just really neat. All right, but like I said, it's very responsive. You can also have a good amount of range, actually. I can still feel it all the way up here, and let me see when it stops. Okay, I cannot feel it anymore, but you'll see how high I can actually get with feeling it. So I mean, like I said, it tracks it very well. Some other applications, gaming, of course. Hopefully in the future you can see it with more games. Even with the Kinect with Xbox, you can actually control, with the Xbox One, you can control your TV and other things with your Kinect. And I mean, with tactile feedback, you could actually, I mean, it would just be much easier, and you know exactly what you're doing. I mean, other applications in automotive, computing, home appliances, health, etc. So I'm very excited to see what's going to come of Ultra Haptics. So yeah, so check it out. I mean, I'll post a link to their website in the description, and thanks for watching, guys.